How you doing, guys? Welcome back to Bama-Q Live. I'm Eric from the Rolling Grill here on behalf of Western Wood. And today we got a good one for you. Today we have a good one for tailgate again. Tailgate, this is perfect for the tailgate. We got a hot smoked crawfish and crab dip that we're gonna pair with some toasted baguettes, crackers, whatever you wanna do. But it's delicious. So, starting off, cream cheese. What did we do? We smoked the cream cheese. We got cream cheese right here that we smoked over Western pecan wood chips. Western pecan wood chips are right here in this metal box. We burned them down and all we're getting is the great pecan smoke off of those chips. So we're gonna take the cream cheese. You don't wanna leave it in the hot bowl. Just transfer it out to a cooler bowl. All right, we'll get this out of the way. Let's get that out of the way. Okay. Now, we have cream cheese. You want softened cream cheese. It ain't gonna work with nothing other. Now, this is just a hodgepodge of good stuff. So we have a Kobe Monterey Jack cheese blend right here. Add as much as you like, all right? We have some grated Parmesan cheese. It's gotta be the stuff in the green container, and you know what I'm talking about. A little bit of that. Save a little bit because you need some of this for the topping. All right, now, some Creole seasoning. You gotta season your food. All right, boom. We have some grated garlic, minced garlic rather. Add as much as you like. All right, now, I'll add the mayo last. Now we got some green onions, some scallions. Add a little bit of that. Like I say, it's a hodgepodge. Now, we're gonna take one egg. Now you can totally do this dip without the egg, but to me the egg kind of binds it all together. Brings it all together, helps it stay nice and tight instead of loosey-goosey. One egg, scrambled. All right, now, mayo, good quality mayo. The mayo, what the mayo really does is just help smooth out that cream cheese. And I'm gonna probably add, that's probably a little less than a cup. All right, lemon juice, half of a lemon. Make sure you catch the seeds. Again, this is a seafood dip, so lemon and seafood go hand in hand. All right, and I just dropped one seed. See? Let's fish that bad boy out of there. All right. Next up, now, I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna move my cutting board over. This is totally optional, but to me, smoked Gouda cheese. And I'm talking about the smoked Gouda cheese with the smoked rind around it. This right here is what takes it over the top. So you've got the smoke from the cream cheese on the grill with the pecan wood, and then you've got that extra touch of smoked cheddar, smoked Gouda rather. Let's use this knife. And you just want to chop it up as fine as you can. That smoked Gouda is good on everything. If you don't know about smoked Gouda is delicious. But to me, the smoked Gouda is totally optional, but this is what sets it up. All right, so let's put this back on the cutting board. We're gonna take our smoked Gouda, drop it right off in there. And again, I'm not measuring the cheese. You add as much as you like. Again, it is a dip, so it's supposed to be ooey gooey. All right, now, before we add any seafood, let's fold this all together. Because we have crawfish tails, and we have lump crab meat, and again, you don't want to break up the lump crab meat. All right, once you get all that mixed up real good, add the crawfish tails first. Straight out the bayou. Add as many as you like. Can't go wrong. Stay away from that stuff that comes from any other place other than bayou, because it don't taste the same. And you want to mix it up real good. You wouldn't think it, but the crawfish and the crab play really good together. All right. Now, crab meat. This is lump crab meat. You want to kind of keep it intact and just let it fall out your hand, like it's falling out the sky. And I would go pretty heavy on the crab. You can go pretty heavy on the crawfish, whichever you like. Hell, we'll add more crawfish as well. I mean, it is a seafood dip. All right. You want to mix this up. Now, as I always say, the longer it sit, the better it get. You could clearly let this sit in the refrigerator overnight or a few hours, and I promise you, it would be delicious. So this is what we're gonna do. Most people you see do it, they'll put it in a cast iron. I'm gonna show you another way to do it. Cast iron is the way to go, but I'm gonna show you another way to do it. We're gonna take that bowl that we used earlier, that we had the cream cheese in earlier. It is a dip. We're gonna spray it down like that. That ensures that nothing sticks. Let's get this in the center. And we're gonna put it in the bowl like that. If you got a little small bowl, then use a small bowl. Just depends on how much you make. Let's get this out the way. And then you just wanna smooth it out. You wanna smooth it out. All right. Once you have it nice and smooth, let's get that out the way. Now, this is when the magic happens. Cheddar cheese. Right on top. Now you're building your crust. First thing people are gonna see when they look at it. Parmesan cheese. This right here is what's gonna give you that nice little Add as much as you like. And then to finish it off, you gotta come on top of it with some Creole seasoning. Just that little dusting of Creole seasoning. Now, at a tailgate party, this is perfect. You can stick this bowl right here in the smoker. You stick it right here in the smoker. The magic of TV, we already have one ready to go. And this one I put in the cast iron skillet. So we're gonna put that one on the grill. We're gonna take this one off. And again, we are smoking over Western pecan chips. And this is what you're looking at, folks. Let's get all this out the way. Let's get all of this out the way. Let's bring this up. This right here is what you're looking at, folks. Beautiful crust. Beautiful. Matter of fact, let me put that right there. Now, what we're gonna do. Any grill, this, the gas grill, either grill. We're gonna take, you could pair this up with baguette. This is Italian loaf. Any kind of nice crackers you like, anything like that. Take those. What I like to do is spray them down, and I'm actually gonna put them on this grill. And I'll just spray them down. We're gonna crank the heat up, and we're gonna toast them off right there on the grill. Perfect. You definitely want to spray both sides. And so your bread is getting kissed with a little bit of pecan smoke, and it's going to toast up nice and pretty. But look at that dip. Look at that. That thing is pretty. To finish it off, you take the rest of your green onions, your scallions, right on top. Presentation is everything. And that, my friend, is ready to go. Let's take a little sample just to show you how ooey gooey it is. We'll come out the back of it. Look at there. Beautiful. You can still see the smoke coming off of it. It smells good. The pecan smoke is giving it a nice little nuttiness. This is perfect, man. Perfect tailgate food. Once your baguettes have toasted up, you can take them nice and hot, and you can just fan them out just like that. If you're going for grill marks, then let them stay on there longer, but we're not all, this is all about getting to the dip. Beautiful. And there you have it, folks. Hot smoked crawfish and crab dip right here on Bama-Q Live. So as always, I'm Eric from the Rolling Grill here on behalf of Western. I want to thank you for joining us here today. Catch you on the next one.